should stay here and not move around.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we have to talk about something really serious happening in South Africa, right? It's another big clash involving a group called Operation Dudula. Maybe you're asking, what is this group and why are they constantly fighting with people? It's complicated, right? A very complicated story. But to put it simple, it's about a deep disagreement over who should get jobs and access services in South Africa, especially between citizens and foreign nationals. Let's break it down, what Dudula is and why things got heated just recently. So, who's Operation Dudula? Well, the word Dudula basically means to push back or force out. They started a few years ago as a kind of street protest movement, and now they've become an official political party. Their main message is really simple: put South Africa first. They believe that South African citizens are losing out because there are too many undocumented foreign nationals taking jobs and overloading important public services like hospitals and schools. They're essentially telling the government, we want these people deported and we want South Africans prioritized for everything. Now, let's talk about this specific clash that happened.
My brother, how do you feel? Yeah. Hey.
This latest incident wasn't random. It's part of Dudula's ongoing action. We've seen them focusing on a few things lately, trying to stop people they believe are foreigners from getting healthcare and pushing back against foreign-run small businesses. When they try to enforce these things themselves, that's when things go wrong and the confrontations start. The police had to step in, and unfortunately, a few people were arrested, or rather, it caused chaos for the community. It shows how high the tension is right now. This isn't just about one group fighting another. It's a legal and moral debate. Dudula's supporters see themselves as patriots who are simply demanding that their government fix the country's massive problems like the really high unemployment rate. But human rights groups argue that what Dudula is doing is xenophobia, which is fear and hatred of people from other countries. They point out that South Africa's laws protect everyone who lives there, and that groups like Dudula are just scaring and targeting people unfairly. They say the real problem isn't the migrants, it's the poor management and corruption in the country.
I saw you were tear gassed and pepper sprayed.
You know, the sad thing is that the force that they're showing to us as South Africans, they can't show it to criminals. That's why we have a Matanga Commission today. When they're supposed to do the right thing to the criminals, they don't do it. Some of us were arrested for fighting crime, for fighting illegality that's happening in the country. We went to take people to the police station who are illegal in the country, and some people were arrested. What's the job of the police if they can't protect the citizens? They're working against us, these people. They're corrupt, these people. Because we don't have 20 rands to give them bribe. That's how they're going to behave. But we know their agenda. It's not going to work like it.
You were tear gassed, you were pepper sprayed. Are you going to stop the protest today?
No, I'm not going to stop. I'm not going to stop. I've been saying this. It means we are Siguo. You know, it's only a matter of time where this bomb is going to hit.
So, This clash tells us that the frustration in South Africa is at a boiling point. It's a country trying to balance the needs of its citizens with its commitment to human rights.
They resisted. They started assaulting police officers, started pushing back at police officers. They also then started spraying tear gas. As a result, one police officer has been taken to hospital for medical attention. We have opened a case against Dudula. The charges that they're facing, firstly, public violence. The second one, assaulting of a police officer and contravention of the court order. You'll recall that they were handed down a court order not to intimidate and harass foreign nationals. So by their actions in trying to block the Nasrec and Baragwanath Road, we see it as an attempt to intimidate and harass foreign nationals. So the third charge there is contravention of their court order. We have arrested 2 individuals, Dudula members, and we have started with investigations. We have long maintained that we do not have an issue, we do not have a problem as the security cluster, as the Nat Joints, when people protest, air their grievances, but they should do so within the confines of the law. We had maintained that we will not allow any lawlessness, any barricading and blocking of roads, and we do believe that their actions was meant to block the motorcades of the heads of states as well as the dignitaries that are trying to access the Nasrec venue. So it is on that note that we have opened those charges. We have pressed charges against them. Public violence, assaulting of a police officer, as well as contravention of the court order. We had previously, during the week when we held a press conference as the Nat Joints, requested the people of South Africa as well as interest groups to make sure that they protest within the confines of the law. Failure to do so, we did warn that we will act decisively and they will face the full might of the law. So we are enforcing the law. We have the public order police members that are here. They are enforcing the law. As you know, their duties is to ensure that they control large crowd gatherings and so on. So we are quite happy with the work that they are doing. They are just enforcing the law according to Section 205 of our Constitution.
Zandile, can you please speak to us? What is happening right now?
No, guys, this is a peaceful picket, and we've said it. Which we want it to be as peaceful as it
Put it closer, make it short. All right.
As Operation Dudula gets more involved in politics, we are likely going to see more of these kinds of fights. What do you think about all this? Is Dudula fighting for the right cause in the wrong way? Or is it just pure fear of foreigners? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section.